Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let me do it, and here we have to find the navigation bar. It should appear just under the display. So let's enter, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose. We've got the virtual key, which is basically the 3 buttons navigation. We've got it right now applied, and just a quick disclaimer before we will set the gestures. As you can see, you can customize them here, so you can reorder the recents and the back button. It's up to you, of course. Here we've got also the animation, how it works. So in order to set the gestures, first of all we have to tap on this option here, and as you can see the 3 buttons will immediately disappear. Instead we've got this line which will be responsible for particular gestures. Here we've got also the gesture settings, so we can enter here, and as you can see we've got swipe to invoke the assistant, and we can change the back sensitivity for the left and the right side. It's up to you, but basically I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you want it to be higher or lower. So as I said, it's up to you. Unfortunately in this device we cannot hide this line, but that's okay. So let me show you the gestures, how they work actually. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of your device, and it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right side. So just do it and release your finger after seeing this arrow which will appear. As you can see also here you've got the animation just like it was in the virtual keys. So as I said, it works the same from the right side. And if you would like to get back to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and do it quite fastly, I would say, and it should be a short motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, we have to repeat the motion. So again, from the bottom to the center, but this time do it maybe not really slowly, but you should elongate this gesture and hold your finger somewhere here. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got previously opened apps. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.